We are showing you a first look of this property, house and lot for sale, located here inside the secured subdivision in Angeles City, Pampanga. This is near Marquee Mall and NLEG. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. This property has a lot area of 161 square meters, floor area of 280 square meters, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 2 carport, private swimming pool, 2-story split-level design, smart home system. Priced at 24 million pesos. Contact us for viewing. So guys, it's a bit rainy for weeks now, but the show must go on. We have this property for sale here in Angeles City. Take a look at the facade of the house. It's situated on a corner lot. And you can tell already that it is a multi-level na house and lot. So mamaya ma-appreciate natin yan pagpasok natin sa loob. The house is nearing completion, kaya kung may makikita kayong mga construction materials and mga workers, excuse them na lang po. But we'd like to give you the first look talaga. So on this side, makikita natin we have a tiled wall right here. Tapos may greenery tayo dito. Plus this wood design na wall accent dito sa gilid natin. We also have sconce lighting. Going to the corner, meron din tayong magandang garden setup right here. Ayan. Then, on this side, we have your automated gate for your 2 carport. Okay? Ang ganda rin ng ating ceiling treatment with wood design na PVC panels. So, it's easy to maintain. CCTVs are installed. And guys, look at that design na mixture ng clean and yung yellow lights natin, napakaganda. Pag kumpleto na yung house na to, nandiyan na yung furniture, bibigyan ulit natin ng house tour. But for now, first look lang muna. Let's go through this pedestrian gate. We have this pebbled walkway going to our main entrance. Meron din tayong pocket garden right here. We have a water faucet dito pag kailangan nyo for your garden. Then, in here, meron tayong 2 carport. Excuse lang po kuya. 2 carport which is very wide. Pwede yung mga wide and tall cars. Well lighted din. And that area right there is your access going to your service area. Later pupunta tayo dyan. But for now, we step up. Lighted ang ating steps. We have this tempered glass na handrails. And guys, napansin ko yung medyo green tint ng ating tiles, napakaganda. Okay, now let's enter to this big wooden door for your main entrance. Ayan. Imagine how tall this door is. Solid wood. As we enter, very neat tile design right here. This will be your living area. Like I said guys, upon completion, magkakaroon ng mga furnitures dito, which also comes with the sale. We have this storage area right here. More storage. Very smart use of space. And when we go through here, under this very nice light fixture will be your dining table. It can fit 6 to 8 seater. Plus, you have a view of your swimming pool outside. O, diba? Very nice. Now, okay, isa-isahin natin guys. Now, we have this very nice modulars right here. We have this space for your, maybe a coffee maker, your blenders, diba? We have drawers right here, which are soft closing. Storage over here. Your water dispenser is neatly tucked inside here. Your microwave. More storage above, and your 2-door refrigerator right here, which I believe is LG. Okay? Behind me is a very nice kitchen setup. Very neat countertop. We have this modern sink right here. Storage. Range hood. Your induction stove. More storage underneath. Plus, we have this countertop right here for your preparation. Tapos meron tayo dyang bar stools if you want to use it for breakfast or your daily meals, pwedeng-pwede yan. Okay. And also, I like the way na meron siyang pendant light dito, which gives it a more parang cafe look. Air conditioning are installed. Very nice. Wall finish right here. Tapos, the powder room is over here. Tapos guys, mapapansin nyo, yung mga switches natin are sensors lang. Ganyan lang siya. Diba? Very nice. No? We have a countertop right here, your sink, your toilet, and we have a shower. So this is technically a bathroom. Okay? This door is the first bedroom on the ground floor. Hindi lang natin mapapakita today kasi medyo marami pang mga construction materials inside. But this is a bedroom. And this is your staff room, which has an ample amount of space. Tapos may big window sila dito for natural light and ventilation. Plus may screen. So they are protected from insects, no? Now, this way right here, going down, is your service area. So ang ganda ng layout ng house kasi everything is parang accessible. This area right here will be your washer and dryer. Meron na tayong provision for your electricity and water and drainage. We have a water filtration system right here. And your daily kitchen that has your sink, your stove, storage, and more storage. Plus, when we go down right here, this is your access to your 2 carport over there. Ang ganda. Ito yung window ng bedroom naman. Okay. So, let's go back in and I'll show you the lanai area. Hindi na lang ako lalabas guys kasi nakamedyas ako. So, you have your pool. Pakita natin. You have your pool to the right. And if you notice guys, the stone design sa walls are real stones. Okay, we have this very nice decking right here. Then we go down right there. Doon naman yung shower area. Very interesting yung design no? Kasi pababa siya, medyo somewhat private, di ba? Plus itong stone design sa ating wall are real stone. Very, very nice. And guys, also, I'd like to point out that the material that is used on your sliding doors and your windows all throughout the house are PVC. These are not aluminum, which is, ito, napakaganda kasi very sturdy, tapos hindi siya maingay. Okay? Meron rin tayong screen. Okay? Pag you want to keep your house open lang, napakaganda niyan. So, let's head on to the second floor. Okay. Papuntang second floor, we have this wooden staircase. Wood handle with tempered glass support. Mid-landing, we have this very nice full body mirror as the accent wall. So, kanina na-mention ko na parang multi-level siya because dun sa mid-landing, meron tayo ditong family area na maganda ang space. You have your television right here. We have an air conditioning installed. Napakagandang light fixture. And a balcony over here. That overlooks the front of your house. Okay? O, diba? Nakita nyo, tahimik lang yung ating mga sliding doors. Guys, also, ako kasi, favorite ko talaga yung open air lang. Airy lang yung bahay. Lamigin kasi ako. Kaya na-appreciate ko that it has a big ceiling fan dun sa ating living area to give circulation sa ating bahay. Di ba? Ang ganda. Yan o. Tinan mo, sabi ng NDRRMC. But the show must go on. Okay. More steps going here. In essence, parang third level na to. We have bedroom right here. First bedroom on the upper level, ample amount of space. We have this very nice headboard right here, closet space, and we have a door right here for your Jack and Jill bathroom. Pakita na natin. Okay. Oops. Yan. So we have the sink right here, dual sink. We have a toilet and your partially enclosed shower with the modern type rainfall shower head. Plus, meron tayong window for natural light and ventilation. And check this out, guys. Yung backsplash, wooden design na tile. Very elegant. Okay? Now we go to the other room. The next room is, I think this is slightly bigger than the first one. We have this very nice wall design dito na doubles as the headboard. We have cabinetry over here, drawers, shelves. Tapos ito yung entry for the shared bathroom. Plus guys, meron tayong walkway dito that has the access to the side balcony. Cool, no? Tapos may full body mirror dito. Parang runway siya. Okay? Then, there's another room. Over here. Ito guys, very cute, very cozy. But, ang beauty nito, may sarili siyang bathroom. So, the bed will go right here. Cabinets over there. Very nice lighting. We have a window. Air conditioning installed. We have provision for a television right here, plus the ensuite toilet and bath that has the sink, toilet, and partially enclosed shower with shampoo niche, and it has a window, kaya bright and airy sa room na to. So, medyo cozy, but may sarili kang bathroom. Okay, now, we go to the fourth level, in essence, parang fourth level siya. So, we step to these wooden stairs right here. Big window, natural light. Then, pakita ko muna yung yung view from here, dun sa family area. Kasi ang ganda ng light fixture, para siyang shell. Would you agree guys? Comment down below kung para siyang shell. Di ba? Na wood design. Okay, so welcome to the master bedroom. We have this area to place your bed right here. Outlets on both sides. We have this big window for natural light. We have a console over here, television, and your controls and monitor for your CCTV are installed right here. As air conditioning natin nandyan. Very neatly tucked. Pati yung mga cables nandito, oh. Sobrang nakatago lang siya. Diba? Okay, you can see the rest of the house from here. Then, of course, we go to the master walk-in and bathroom. So, we have this closet space that is lighted. Very nice. Lighted shelves din dito. I suppose these are for your bags, di ba? Napakaganda display dyan. We have a vanity over here. Japanese toilet. We have niche right here. Sink and your shower area over here. Very nice. So that's it guys for the first look of this property for sale. So abangan nyo guys yung aming full tour pag meron ng mga gamit. So thank you guys for watching. Now let's do the recap.
This property has a lot area of 161 square meters, floor area of 280 square meters, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 2 carport, private swimming pool, 2-story split level design, smart home system. Priced at 24 million pesos. Contact us for viewing.
Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.